Hey everyone, I'm going to see if we can't make one of those wall-mounted stick LED lights for about 30 bucks. They go for about 90 bucks on Amazon, so I thought I'd give it a try. Piece of 3/4 inch conduit. These cost about $10 and they're about 10 feet long. I got this, it's an LED light strip on Amazon for about 10 bucks. Just some black spray paint. This thing was a little more difficult to find. It's a 3/4 inch. It's called a 90-degree side outlet T. So it's got 2 holes there and then one there. And there's actually little Allen wrench screws right there to torque it down. Tape measure, and this is a pipe cutter. If you want, you can use a hacksaw instead. First thing I'm going to do is cut the conduit down to 2 pieces that are about 1 foot long. So here I have my 3 pieces. These are about 1 foot long, and this is going to be the piece that actually sticks up with the light on it. I made this about 5.5 feet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this together. I'm going to put the writing facing down. You screw in. And this piece gonna put that little gap facing away. Okay. Perfect. And essentially what you have right here is what it's going to be like. The light's going to be on this side facing in, and this is going to be in a corner towards the wall. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run it back down this way, but I kind of want to hide this in here, like so, and then have this offset. So I want it offset so these are going to be in between, so it looks like I have better light coverage. Then what you're going to want to do when you get to the end, you can just cut it right there. Okay. Then I'm just going to re-secure everything again. Just make sure the tape wants to stick on there. Alright, so this is what it should look like. So the LED is going all the way to the top. And then when you turn it around, they're really not going to be facing you. And it comes straight down to there. I have to have that up there because there's an infrared sensor. So for the remote to work, it's got to be there. But let's light it up and see what it looks like. All right, this is what it looks like. have it on the LED flashing mode. And then once you get behind it, they disappear. So I'll put it up against a wall and we'll see what it looks like. This is what it looks like in the corner. You can change the lights via remote to whatever color you want. So you could have something like that where it just slowly goes and slowly changes colors. I'm sure they make a lot better LEDs out there than this one, but for 30 bucks, I don't think it's that bad. I'll probably just have kind of like a solid color, something like that in the corner. I think it looks kind of cool. And you can change the color greens and all that stuff in here. So it's got a sleep timer and brightness settings, but I think it worked out pretty well. I hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, all that stuff all the YouTubers say.